Hello there, beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, bale magta-try on haul po ako ng mga crop tops and a swimsuit at saka brassiere from Shine, or whatever. So here, first one, I have the black crop tops. Ayan. Ayan siya, para siyang kamison. So there. Very comfy po siya. Tsaka yung tela niya is high quality talaga yung tela niya. And this is size M. So I always get a size M kapag crop tops. So next one is the yellow razorback ba? Razorback. Para siyang razorback. Ganyan. Spaghetti na Magkaganda talaga yung tela nito. And very comfy. Stretchable din siya. And this is also size M. Medium din siya. Basta crop tops, medium. Next one is this one, mustard. I like this, very sexy. Spaghetti high crop top. Hanggang dito lang siya. Very light yung very light yung niya, yung fabric niya. Hindi iba dito. Magkaiba sila ng fabric. Ito para siyang light na pero maganda rin siya. So later on I'm gonna try it. One is the swimsuit. So another yellow one-piece crisscross swimsuit. Tapos siya. Bale, size nito is ano bang size nito? Small. Kapag swimsuit, kumukuha ko ng small. Sexy crisscross one piece. So that's all for today, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel so you will be updated for my next videos. And I also do live stream every night, or depende kung ano ko, kung sipagin. And you can also join my membership by visiting the community. My link is posted in there. And please do also watch some of my other videos and join me always on my live stream. So that's it. And bye-bye. God bless everyone. And thank you also so much for my super stickers, super chatters, and my members. They are J.S. Rocker, Isa Lopez, Jeff Rydell, 60 Plays, my super sticker senders, super thanks, and Himno, Sir Serge. Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan ng isa. So that's it. Thank you so much again, guys. Please do support me. Thank you.